sige, roll. Sige, unsay na. Side view ka kamay, ma'am. Diri sa gilid.
Alas 6 pa ko to, boy. Perform pa ko, ti. Alas 6 pa ko to.
And also the shoulder.
Ako pa, Julas. Ako lang. Di mag-patient ko, ti.
Miss, wala ka sa line, miss. As if na lang, miss, I'm gonna calm down the patient's hair. Cover the eyes. And also a cotton balls. See, cover the eyes of the patient. At yung mouth, hindi siya ginawa. And then I'm gonna put cotton balls on the ears, both ears. Wala kay cotton balls? Wala. Side. Where the gown is? Where the gown? So I'm gonna pour the. So I'm gonna pour the
Hinay lang. Lilisan, malisan.
Kaya hindi na makita ko naman kasi. And if the patient's hair has a dried grass, so I'm going to use a peroxide and put on lots on it. If there is a dried grass. So I'm gonna put small amounts of shampoo. So I'm gonna massage it side, and also I'm going to Facebook. And then I'm going to rinse the hair. I'll train you for the night water. Area. Okay. Pwede kayong So after rinsing it, I'm going to apply conditioner. So, ma'am, can I put a conditioner on your hair?
No.
No. Okay. I'm gonna dry it. remove the then I will rubbing the patient's face to try. Ano yung mga materials except for your towels.
Basta po. Okay, just
Mga tawag so I'm gonna assist the patient and please
mahirap ko mag-patient ko.
and then I'm gonna count the weight of the patient and also ask if what's desired to be style. Then I am going to show empathy and compassion.